drag. Oh, there we go. Well, welcome everyone to Writing 101. All right, we're going to start with some introductions. Why doesn't everyone share their names, pronouns, and their favorite ice cream flavor? My name is Liam. I use he, him pronouns, and my favorite ice cream's gotta be mint chocolate chip.
Hi everyone, I'm Ava. I use she, her, hers. My favorite ice cream flavor, it's a hard one. I'd have to say probably strawberry.
I can go.
Great.
Hey, I'm Moss. I use they, them pronouns, and I'm gonna have to go with coffee. Yeah, coffee.
Awesome. Yeah, hey guys, I'm Tyler, and I use whoosh, 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 whoosh. And my favorite probably chocolate chunk.
I'm sorry. What?
Don't hate, man. You can't go wrong with chocolate.
No, I mean your pronouns.
Oh, yeah. So I use and whoosh, 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 whoosh. But I'll also, use pew, 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 as long as it's said with respect.
Tyler, an attack helicopter joke? That is way out of line. We practice radical acceptance here.
What?
You can't make fun of pronouns like that. It's completely disrespectful.
I'm not. I don't understand.
The attack helicopter joke? It's old, Tyler.
No, I'm not joking. I really do identify as an attack helicopter.
Okay, I think I'm going to have to ask you to step out of this
Whoa,
classroom.
whoa. Are you discriminating against Tyler because of his pronouns?
That's
What?
not cool, Liam. Deserves the same amount of respect as anybody else here.
Listen, it's just, I know it's unconventional, and I understand that your generation has trouble understanding the wide variety of the gender binary, but I'm not asking for the impossible here. I'm just asking for you to understand and try.
I, for one, think that we should let Tyler live whoosh, whoosh his truth.
Exactly.
Okay. I'm sorry for disrespecting you, Tyler. I will take it upon myself to be better.
Thank you. It's your guys' support means the world to me.
Well, thank you for sharing, Tyler. Who's next?
Hi, I'm Will, and I use the pronouns. And, no, I didn't mean to hit you.